is that? All right, everybody. So it's actually Tuesday, April 20th, 2021. There is the hive. They are inside here. We have a massive cold front coming through. You see that little guy? You can see probably the bees. Can you hear them? They're hanging out in there, trying to keep them closed for this coming storm, which is actually very unusual for this time of the year. So we're supposed to get 3 to 5 inches of snow accumulated, not so much that what's been melting. And if you take a look out right now, you can see it's snowing, and it's been snowing for about 2 to 3 hours. Nothing's stuck yet, but one thing that we do have to do is actually get these off. And the reason why I want to get those off, doing everything by one hand, by the way, get this all off, is that because tonight we are going to be below 32 degrees. Should hit around 20 for the next 2 nights actually, so we don't want anything busting while we're out. So with that cold weather, more than likely our forsythias are not going to do too well. They maybe had 3 or 4 more days left before the petals dropped off, but we'll see after tonight. And we also have lilac bushes coming off, or about to bloom in a couple weeks, so hopefully that they weather the storm. Now we'll go in, get that piece of plywood. We'll put it actually over by the hive as a windbreak. All right, there is a piece of plywood just as a windbreak. There we go. The end of the snowstorm. So it snowed all through the night, but stayed above freezing. So the accumulations were actually a lot less, which is good. And that's it. All right, so here is the leftover wax that we grabbed from that hive box over the weekend. We let it drain through. What is that? That is honey. So since I only have one hive, I don't get that much honey. And what I do is I take some cheesecloth, wrap it a couple times, and then throw in the comb with the honey and kind of just let it drain through.
I just got home.
Evelyn just got home from where?
From mom.
From where?
School.
Cookie time.